Welcome to our first Keep It Reet 4-wheel drive giveaway. Yeah! Hey there guys, I don't know who the hell that guy was, but my name is Jason and this is the Keep It Reet's first 4-wheel drive giveaway with the GU Patrol. So I'm all about my JDM things, drift cars and whatnot, but everyone needs a 4B in their life for tow car, camping, otherwise I know all about these things. So I got Corey here, my main man, to give you a rundown.
Right, I'm Corey, head Reet at KANG factory. Here we got a 99 GU Patrol with the all famous 4.2 litre diesel. Starting up the front, ARB Sahara bar. We've got a run for 11 XP winch for when you got to pull yourself out of a sticky situation. Spotties, the old fog lights, you know, for when it's nice and foggy. We got the Nitto trail grappler 33-inch mud terrains, you know, get you through the stuff. You got that sill protection, slapping against rocks and trees. Down here, we got the ladder rack for accessing the roof rack. We've got some adjustable lights. When you're camping, you can point them wherever you want, which are controlled inside. Spare, and then you open this up. We got drawers, you know, carry all your spares and such. What Tourer isn't complete without a cranking sound system? And we got stainless. So we got the awning, come outside, nice shade when you're at the track, camping, doesn't matter. Right, so in here we've done the rear seat delete, so you can have storage space. There's a few spares and stuff down here underneath the fridge, and just in case, you know, when you're on the tracks, you want a sneaky rum. Interior, so we've got all the switches up here. There's a switch to turn the fridge on, air compressor, your reverse camera, speakers, air horns. The radio system is off a switch, so you don't have to have the ignition on when you're out camping and, you know, partying, music, tunes. We've got the gauges, water, EGTs and boost. 3 things you got to watch in these cars. We've got the CB radios, you know, 10.4 rubber ducky. Overall, all neat and tidy, you know, everything's there. Simple, elegant, fancy. Whoa. Right, so in here, we got the old reliable TD42 turbo. Chucked a nice cooler on there, you know, just towing things. You want to keep the temps down. Got the dual batteries, super tidy, super clean, low Ks. And how could I forget? The old stainless Snorkel custom.
That's it, our first ever 4B giveaway, the GU Patrol, Sonny. Get your entries in, keepitreit.com.